Hi everyone, my name is Sheyi Omotunde and this is NeoLife Backoffice and E-commerce Shop Mastery 2025. And this is going to take you how to manage your NeoLife business online. And we're going to be going through a lot of modules. For this, there is about 10 modules for this training. And in this first particular one, we are going to be looking at the first modules. And the first module here is what is NeoLife Backoffice? NeoLife Backoffice basically it's an application that NeoLife created for all the distributors and promoters all around the world. So I might be using the word distributor and promoter depending on where you are watching from. In United States and Canada, NeoLife distributors are called promoter. In Africa, Europe are called distributors. So I might be using the two words interchangeably. We are using the same back office globally. So this application has been developed by NeoLife to make the business easy so that you don't even need to get to the warehouse, you don't need to get to the office to go and check what is the status of your business, what do you need to do to get to the next round, what are the resources that you need, how many people do you have in your team member, how your team are performing, and a whole lot of things. So that is been developed. And every distributor needs to have this NeoLife access to NeoLife distributor. To have access to NeoLife distributor, your ID is actually automatically your username. Your ID, this is the back office. Your ID is your username. Okay? Your ID, once again, is your username. And in case, let me just log out here. In case you are thinking of how do you log in to the NeoLife back office, all you need to do is come to my office.neolife.com. There's actually several websites you can still get back to this place. My office.neolife.com. NeoLife back office also have an app, so if you don't have it, you can access it both on you can access it both on laptop, mobile phone, even on your Chrome or Opera browser, you can actually access it. So your username is your ID, just as you can see on my screen here. And you can log in either from my office.neolife.com. You can also log in from NeoLife Africa. Yes, this is from Africa. Again, everything is still connected. You can also log in from neolifeafrica.com. You can as well log in from even Shop NeoLife, which is the front office. Or you just have to click his login and you see find yourself on the back office. So whether you're using the mobile app, whether you are using the laptop, so for example, now if I click login now, it's still taking me back to the same place. Okay. So this is from so can you see now? This is my ID, and after the ID, I'll put my password. Just in case you don't know your password, you can just do forgot password. So immediately you click forget password, it's going to ask you to use your username or your ID. Basically, just type your ID there and click submit. So you're going to send a code depending on your country, either to your new password, which you can now reset, either to your phone or your email, your register email. And this is why it's very important to always register with your email. And if you have not registered with your email, you can update your email at anywhere else or simply at during the working hours in your countries. So like in Africa, the working hour is between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So during the working hour, you can actually go to myoffice.neolife.com, just like as you are here now. You can actually go to myoffice.neolife.com, just like as you are here now. Uh, from here, so I said, if you don't know your password, just click forgot password. So when you click forgot password, it's going to ask you to enter your ID, right? So then it's going to reset that to your phone number or email, depend on it. So if you don't get the reset on your phone or email, so during the working hour, you can just come here. This is a chat, live chat here. So you can just use this live chat to chat with NeoLife representative, NeoLife staffs, and explain that, okay, your name is this, you have your ID, you need access to your back office, you don't have a back office password or PIN. They will ask you some certain question and they'll be able to, if your email is not attached to your registration, they will do that for you. And when that is done, you will receive the code to reset your password. So this can help you, but this will only work within the working hour, which is within the 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Back office is very important because you need to know how your business are going, what you need to do forward. There's a lot of information there. For example, before you see that copy of even Lifestyle magazine, it's already in the back office. Yeah. So that's it. So you are going to see a lot of things. Now, let me log in back to the back office. Okay. It's my system, so I don't even need to put that again. So I've already made it automatically. So you can see a lot of things that you have. You can get your team. You can even see what to do the next rank. You can see where to shop, order, see the report of every money you have received in this business from day one up to now. You can see what are the events that are coming up, the resources. You can see the resources. You can see the resources. You can, so here now you have different library. These are the things we are going to be talking about. You can update your accounts, can have your front shop links. Yeah, so everybody have a front shop. So for example, my own front shop is this. And when you click here now, you are going to see my details. So these are my details here. So basically, that is what this particular first video is all about. We already know what is NeoLife and why you need to have it so that you can be able to monitor your business. Some key features that you're going to see. So from your back office, you place order just like m-commerce. So you can place order here, be able to know the product are available and the one not available. A lot of things. So I've been able to break all those things down into each of these modules so that it will be very easy to digest. And again, once again, to log in, my office.neolife.com. I'll see you in the next video when we'll be talking about understanding your business stats. Understanding your business stats. See you in the next.